Hi friends, this is E, the sneaky gardener. As you all know, I've been sneaking around gardening and I've had to learn to sneak around and cook. I got tired of microwave foods and peanut butter sandwiches. So I looked around, I was looking for something kind of like the Jetstream oven I used to have, and they don't make it the way it used to be, and it don't last more than a year or two. But this is not, for one, a solicitation or an advertisement. This is just me sharing knowledge of, something that made it easier for me to cook. And I'll, from time to time, add some recipes or things I've cooked in it and review how they came out. But for today, I'm going to show how it's set up and test drive it with a little bit of stuff and give you my honest opinion of how it works. Okay, I followed the instructions. I washed it all in soapy water and blue bubbles with the rack, and it says to preheat it for 5 minutes and let any oils that are from the factory and the machines burn off. And you do smell kind of something in there. But I'm not sure that I want to just use it after this or go ahead and wash it again. But I got this for like $42 including tax, shipped to the house for free. And it's kind of like a convection oven, like your real oven. It's blown by a fan, where like an air fryer. And you can really smell the smell now, but hopefully it'll go away. Okay, it's getting close to the minute mark of going off. The light went in and out for a second, and it seems to be okay. The smell's not as bad as it was, like 4 minutes of factory smell, or from the side over here, I guess you can smell more. Let's see how the light went out and came back in. I don't know if that means it was up to temperature or exactly what. This is my first experience with this. And I used to love the Jetstream oven, and they've changed it. And rather than buying another one for 150 bucks and taking a chance on it, or sending mine back and getting it repaired, I thought I'd give this a shot and maybe bring you guys along on a cooking adventure. With me not doing too well, it's hard for me to stand up and cook, and maybe I can make some quick meals with this. And today I'm just going to test drive some frozen steak fries and maybe some shrimp. There was a pop there. There it goes. The timer goes off. The heat goes off. The heat comes back on. Huh? How wild. I wonder if that's normal. Any minute now. There it goes. Heat off, heat on. Wonder if that's right. Or if that's the warning to turn it off. We're really close. Heat off. Heat on. I wonder if it, like I said, I wonder if that's a warning or if it shuts off automatically. I'll go ahead and give it another minute to see. There it goes. There it goes, back on. Off, on. Off, on. Kinda strange. Maybe that's to keep the food warm. You don't know. But that would also burn the food. Oop, there's the dinger. So I guess when it comes up to temperature, it turns off. And it did. So we'll let that cool down a minute. There's on the back here, this is where you lift it up. There's a safety feature here that if this handle's not down, then the oven won't work. So we'll let that cool down, and or I guess they're supposed to preheat and put the food in, so I guess I'll put some steak potatoes in. Okay, I've got some in there, and I found little guys like that one there fall right through the rack, so you have to kind of place them in there. Let's turn this on. The directions were 6 to 10 minutes. Let's see. Put it at 400, and put the handle down and get it started. It's kind of hard to get the 6 for sure mark there, but we'll take a look. You know, this is supposed to be faster than the oven, but they give you this thing right here to pick the racks up with. It's kind of like grabbers. It's kind of cheaply made, but I kind of wish the rack was closer together. But if the rack for the Jetstream fits in here, I could possibly use that rack. So, and you can also cook more than one food. I'm going to put shrimp in. Shrimp don't take so long, so I'll wait a little while to put them in. Okay, I turned the heat off, and I don't think that they're completely done. They're not bad, but the shrimp, turns out it needs 450 at 12 minutes, so I'm going to give it another 5 minutes. It kind of looks much better. Some kind of browning on the potatoes. I'm going to use the... see how easy things fall through the rack? And can't pick it up. But let these cool. But here's a perfect paper towel. It's got happiness, grows, sunshine, and relax. Joy and bliss. So, perfect thing for, you know, our trial today. But, you know, it kind of feels done, but I'm going to let it cool down a little and get a little bit of salt on the potato. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I know you want the taste test, right? I'll have to come back for that. Okay, what I've learned is it takes longer, say 20 minutes for the... Whoa. Okay, what I've learned is it takes 20 minutes for the steak potatoes and 15 minutes for the shrimp on 450, and the closer it is on top, the darker it gets, and the bottom isn't quite as dark, and things do like to fall through the rack. But taste-wise, it tastes fine, and I'd give it probably, since it's the first time, a 3, you know, after I learn more on how, you know, what temperatures and all that to cook at. It might go up to 4, but I'm giving it a 3 because of the, you know, things falling through the rack, and you gotta be careful how to put them in there. But that's my, you know, first attempt at cooking with this item right here. And hopefully, you know, this, I had to get up and down 50 times, it felt like, so it didn't, once I know, I can set it and let it go, but, you know, today's experiment was a lot of work. But thanks for watching, and let me know if you're interested in seeing more cooking videos with this. But I'm going to call it my magic oven for now. Bye.